Hello everyone. Many students don't have good handwriting. Because of that, they hear constant scolding from their teacher and parents. See, if you are a student, then handwriting plays an important role in students' life because handwriting is a predictor of success and it can have a positive impact on grades. Also, good handwriting improves confidence in students. So if you wish to improve your handwriting, then you are watching the right video because in this video we are going to give you 5 tips on how to improve your handwriting. So tune in till the end. Tip number 1. Choose your pen. Before you start writing, think about a pen which suits you. Personally, when I was in a school, I used to prefer a pen which writes smoothly and not sharply. Also, I used to look for a pen with good width and I used to prefer pens with jet black ink. See, there are thousands of pens in the market, so pick up a pen and give it a try until you find a pen of your choice. Tip number 2. Examine your writing. Take a sheet of paper and start writing. While writing, aim to join every letter and focus on which letters trouble you the most. Once done, examine the writing and circle the letters you're not happy with and work on improving those. Daily, take at least half an hour out from your busy schedule and spend that time on improving your handwriting. Doing consistently will definitely help you and will improve your handwriting. Tip number 3. Copy a handwriting style you like. See, if you like a writing style, then get a paper and start copying it. And keep practicing it daily because the more you imitate a particular way of writing, the more used to you will get while writing that style. Personally, when I was young, I used to admire cursive handwriting. And I still remember I spent almost a week practicing that handwriting style. So pick the style and just keep practicing. Tip number 4. Check the height of all the letters. Good handwriting is only possible if all the letters are in the correct height in relation to each other. So while writing, make sure that your small letters are of the same size and the capital letters are also in correct height in relation to small letters. Tip number 5. Write slowly. Many students have a habit of writing too fast, due to which their handwriting doesn't look good. So if you wish to improve your handwriting, then start writing slowly and focus on letter formation. So these were the tips that will help you to improve your handwriting. Thank you.